If people keep telling you that your calls are coming in as private number or unknown caller, don't worry. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed in less than a minute. Before we start, this tutorial is meant to help you make sure your real number shows when you call. It's for normal communication, business calls, and personal use, not for misuse. Let's start with the fastest fix. The most common reason your number shows as private is that a hide caller ID code was activated before. To cancel it, you need to dial a simple code. Open your phone's dial pad and dial #31#. Then press the call button. You don't need to add any number. This code resets your caller ID back to normal on most networks. After dialing it, make a test call to a friend or family member and ask them if your number is now visible. If your number is still showing as private, the next thing to do is restart your phone. Restarting your phone refreshes the network connection and clears temporary network settings that may still be holding the private number command. Sometimes the network doesn't fully apply the change until the phone reconnects again, and a simple restart forces that update. After your phone comes back on, make another test call and check if your number now shows normally. In most cases, these two steps completely fix the problem. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for more simple phone tips, and drop a comment if you want more tutorials like this.